Hey there, welcome to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how can you scan QR code in WhatsApp on Android device. To scan QR code in WhatsApp on Android device, you have to follow these simple steps. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. Make sure that you have updated the application, the latest version. After which, you want to click on the three dot icon from the top right, go to settings. As you go to settings, you could actually go ahead from here, just click on three dot and go to link devices. After which, you want to click on link device and make sure to confirm it by entering your PIN and click the arrow icon. Now what you just need to do is click on OK in order to scan the QR code. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the scanner. So here it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it, and with no further details. So as you can see, you've successfully logged in. So that's the way you could go ahead and log in. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.